right?
Yes, sir.
If you want to give the distance between these two objects as a 4 meter, you just specify as here. You just specify distance here. You just click this point. Now the distance between 2 points is 4 meter.
For
Just click here, and you have to see that all the 4 element will be on a same distance. 4 4 meter, 4 meter, and 4 meter. The total distance is of 16 meter.
Yes.
After you applying, if you want to give the number, to change the number of elements, you just specify as 6 and press enter. You can see the 6 is here,
6
right?
sofa.
6 sofas, right? And just I am doing Control Z. Now I am going to create a 5 sofas to the last one. In this point, you have to specify distance between the first one and the last one, and all the elements will be filled equally spaced. If you specify the total distance as of 14 meter, right? Just click here, and all the 3 element is specified in between them, or as a equal distance. So you understand the what is the move of second object and the last object?
What is the last second, sir?
Second means in the last time I specify the distance between first and second object.
Okay.
And all the distance will be calculated from that point, equal point.
Okay. What about the last?
And in the last, I specify distance between first and the last object.
Okay, total
Distance. And all the numbers will be specified in between them. Second matlab distance between two objects. And the last, the distance between first and the last. Right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
First and last?
Yes. And first and second.
First and second.
Now, the second object was, I am just Control Z, click here, and second array is of polar array, radial array. In this we have specify as a center point. This is the center of rotation, right? Click here and specify the center of rotation point here, right? And this is your axis. How much element you want?
3 element, 4 element.
6 element I want, right? This is also a second element.
Second.
If you specify the angle between them is 30 degree. So what is your total distance? 180 degree?
180.
Total distance. क्योंकि हर एक each element have a distance between them is a 30 degree.
Yes.
My total element is 6. So 6 into 30 is 180. Right or wrong? And just you specify 30 degree angle from here. We will specify as the 30 degree angle and press enter. So you can see all the element will be placed accordingly. And each element have a separation of 30 degree. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. First time you are selecting the object?
Yes.
Oh.
See, and rotate it in the center point. Yes, Base. Hasan, tell me.
Sir, please again.
Okay, I can repeat it. Just I'm doing Control Z, right?
Right.
And select this object,
Okay.
and just click on array command. And I told you about the linear array last time.
Linear.
Yes, linear. And I am going to study about right now radial array.
Yes.
You just click on radial, and for center point you will must click click on the place and specify the rotation angle here and specify the alignment. Now this array will be is rotating about the our center point. Here you want to specify number of element
Yeah. Right.
as 5, right?
Right.
So which option you want, second or a last?
Second.
Second. The second means the angle between the 2 points.
First and second.
First and second. Specify here. The angle between is 45. Then press enter. So all the 5 element will be created
Radial.
in radial. If you want to change the numbers, you can change it from here. Right? Now, the option between the second point is now I'm going to create in Control Z this one, okay? And select this and click on array and specify for the center point from this point to this.
Linear or radial?
Radial. This option will also create in only radial, not in linear. Here you just click as the last. Specify numbers as 6 and the last angle is of 360 degree and enter. So, acha. Click here, activate array and radial
number,
and you have specify the number at 6 and specify last angle is of 360.
45.
Total angle, last angle. This time I am using last. And click on the center of rotation and specify center of rotation here and click here. See, press enter. Right? Click here and what is array? Radial number of rotation is 6 and place center point here, right? And total angle is of 180 degree this time. Enter. See, all the element will be specified in the 180 degree. So this option is also a radial also. So array clear?
Yes, radial.
Radial and linear. Okay. Next command is of your trim command. Which command? Trim command. Like this, you have some drawing some walls, right? Just like this and like this. If you want to remove this extra wall, yes?
Yes, sir.
If you want to remove these extra 2 lines, you just click on the wall and select this.
Trim
And extend to corner. Here there is a corner.
Select the corners.
Yes, select this wall, this command, and specify. Click here and here. See, the two, extra walls will delete it.
Removed.
I'm wondering
Okay.
how
Then control Z.
yeah, yeah.
If you want to click here, so these walls are deleted. So you want to click on that part which you want to
Delete.
no which you want to have
Okay.
other than the deleted part. You want to delete this part and this part,
Yes.
and you will click on
This one will be deleted.
and this
Deleted.
one. Other part will be deleted,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Right.
So both the in this case, both the balls will be deleted.
Okay.
In this case,
You select.
I am activate this command.
Okay. Select.
And select and
This one and yes.
right. Benefit of this command, this is if you have this not connected walls, these two walls are not connected to each other. If I apply this command on this corner, you select this wall and this wall, so these walls are connected automatically. In this case, my balls are trimmed.
Sir, if I want to delete only one, how?
By this next command.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So in this command, the walls will extended,
Okay.
and in this case, my walls are trimmed. So both the commands will happen in the a single command in this, right?
Yes.
If you want to delete the one part, this one, you can just select your command, right? Select the wall and click like this. The next part will be deleted, right? Again, okay. So activate this command.
Okay.
Select the first wall which you don't want to delete, like this one, right?
Yes.
And click on another wall which part you want to have, like this.
Okay.
Click on the part which you don't want to delete,
Okay. Okay.
right?
So the part which is continuing.
But say your voice is too low.
Sir, so that the part which is collinear,
Yes.
which you selected will be deleted.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In this the next command we have the multiple trim or extend command, right? In this only this wall will be deleted, not this, like this. See, but in this command you have selected this wall which is intersected by the multiple walls. If you want to delete the one by one, just click like this, right?
Only multiple.
This is for multiple and this is for single.
Yes. Yes.
And this is for the corner.
Yeah. Corner joining.
Yes, corner joining. All the three commands will be uses for the trim or extend command. All the three. Right?
Right, sir.
You understand all the three commands?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next command is scale command. Right?
Right, sir.
Scale command means resizing of your element.
Okay.
Resizing means you can enlarge or reduce the size of object, right?
Yeah.
You can activate the scale command
Okay.
and click on the wall, right?
Okay. Okay.
Or click on this sofa, which will be not activated, selected, right? You can select the wall and activate this scale command, right?
Right.
Now your wall will select it automatically
Yeah.
and give your specify the base point like this, right? And you will specify as the what you want to create the 2 times or 3 times the size of the element. If you want to enlarge that 2 times, you just specify as 2 and specify click. The size of this element is automatically 2 times like this. The length will increase as the twice. If you want to reduce the size of this wall almost half, right?
Yes.
If you want to reduce the size of this wall as a half, you just again activate the same command, choose the numerical part and give as the scale as 0.5 and specify the point. See, the length will be half.
Yes, sir. In AutoCAD, it is like stretching.
Not stressing. In AutoCAD, we have a scale command also.
Oh, okay, okay.
Besides the stress command, here I show you in the AutoCAD. This command is scale.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, in your Revit, we have
Scale.
this scale command,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Next command is pin. If you want to fix a position of your any object, right?
Right.
If you want to fix the position of your any object, likewise, I want to fix these walls. Select the walls or pin here, like this. All the element is pinned.
Fix it.
If you want to move any wall, you are unable to move any wall. See, the message will be shown. The can't move the pinned object element.
Sir, in AutoCAD, it is like group.
No, no. In the group, we have a option to move any command or copy these groups.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
In AutoCAD, like you will lock the layer of that object.
Yes. Layer.
You heard about the layers in AutoCAD?
Yes, yes, I know.
Yes. If you lock that layer of that element, you can't move or copy that, or even you want unable to delete that object. You have a notice board in your college, right?
Yes, yes.
How you paste a notice on a notice board? You have a thumbnail and press it to the notice board, right?
Sir,
Yes.
repeat again.
In your notice board, right?
Yes.
If you want to place a notice on a notice board,
Okay.
how you place the notice on a notice board? Tell me.
Notice.
Yes, notice.
Which notice, sir?
In college, you have a notice board, right? Notice board.
Yeah, yeah.
Display a notice board. You don't have in your
No,
college?
no. No, no, sir.
Okay. I just want mm, like you have fixed the position of any object by you heard about the thumbnail.
Yes.
Yes. What was
Yes.
the use of thumbnail?
Tell us, sir.
Sorry, no problem. Right. I want to first I want to unpin these objects, right? And unpin. Right. Now this command is movable. You can move this wall to here, right? Like this. Right or wrong?
Again, sir.
You able to move this command like this?
Oh.
Right.
Right.
If you want to don't move this wall by anyone.
Pin it.
Yes, you can use pin command. See, the pin command is pinned here. Now you are unable to move this wall. See, I am unable to move this command. Even I don't copy this command like this. Copy it is applicable, but move command is not applicable to this wall
Okay.
because I have pinned
Pin it.
this command like this. Can't move the pinned element,
Yes.
right?
Right.
If you want to move this wall,
Highlight all.
you have to unpin this command from here, unpin, right?
Okay.
And again you have option to move this like this. You understand what is the pin and what is unpin?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sure. Right.
Okay. Now this command is called as delete element. Just
Okay.
activate this command and click on any object and press enter. This element will be deleted.
Okay.
Right?
Right, sir.
Now all the modify commands I told you.
Yeah. We understood well.
Okay. Now I'm opening the your session wise. This is your Revit structure, right? Right. In the
Right.
session 4 and 5, move, copy, create similar, rotate, array, mirror, scale, split element, trim, align, offset, pin, unpin, door, window, and keyboard shortcuts. All the element will covered in your session 4 and 5. Yes or no?
All we understood very well.
And I covered all the topics.
Yeah.
Okay. Now session 6 is your practice session. Okay.
Hey, sir.
Session 6 is your practice session. So I give you some figures for practicing it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah,
I give you some floor plans for practicing. I just send you after your class will finish. And tomorrow you have practicing on that on the drawings. Right?
So we will come again Monday.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
we are professionals, civil engineer.
Okay.
So if you have some standardized plans, architectural plans, we also architectural plans.
Architectural plans.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, it's important for us as material.
Share with us.
service. So, sir, again, also, you know, detailing, yeah.
Yes.
Also, it's important for us.
Okay.
After completion of this course,
Yes.
we hope to be strong engineers.
Okay, देखिए, I have these commands. You go through these sessions.
Yeah.
Very well. I'm
Okay.
covering all the topics by session by session, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And I think I made clear each and every one to you.
Yes, sir. It's everything is clear. You are the best.
So don't worry.
Hello, Anas. Hello. Ma chokta.